Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're making Geera shrimp. This is going to be a super quick, easy recipe to put together. As you all know, shrimp does not take very long to cook and you all are going to love this one because it's great with a simple dal and rice, or if you make khichdi, you can serve this with it. So let's jump straight into this recipe. Let me show you how easy this one is to make. We're going to start this recipe with our clean and veined shrimp, and I'm going to season that with some salt and fish seasoning, or you can use seafood seasoning if you have that. Now to this I'm also going to add in some Geera, ground Geera powder, and some 9 spice curry powder. You'll notice just a little because we just want to infuse the shrimp as it's marinating, and green seasoning goes in along with minced garlic. Give that a mix and you can set this aside to marinate for minimum 1 hour. Next we're going to place a skillet or a pot on medium heat and add in our oil. Add in some cumin or Geera seeds while the oil is still warm, and some neti or fenugreek seeds. We're going to allow these to toast until they're dark brown in color. You do not want them to burn. Let them take their time and turn dark brown, and then we'll add in a few curry leaves. Be careful as you add these in because they will pop, and if you cannot find curry leaves, of course you can omit it. I'm lucky enough that I live in South Florida and I have a tree. In goes chopped onions, chopped pimento peppers and scotch bonnet pepper. If you wanted to omit the scotch bonnet, of course you can. Season with a little salt and saute until it's translucent, it's tender and very fragrant. Once it starts to brown on the edges slightly, we'll add in our shrimp. You want to toss so it coats the shrimp with those aromatics, and I'm just going to add in a little bit of water that we had our seasoned shrimp in. This is just going to help create a little sauce. I'm going to cover this for about 2 minutes. This is just locking in all of those flavors, and remove, and now all you have to do is add in that Geera powder. Now you want to do the Geera a minute before the shrimp is done, and these shrimp were really huge, so I'm going to go in with the Geera powder. You can start off with 1 tablespoon, and if you think you want more, add more. It all depends on your taste preference. If you wanted it to be really light Geera flavored, of course add less Geera. Mix that, allow it to cook for 1 more minute, and then this is ready to be enjoyed. You want to taste and adjust your salt, and that's it. A simple, easy, quick and delicious shrimp dish for you to try this Lent. Thank you guys for joining me. If you're new to my channel, I hope you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.